I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. So, Mansi, now you tell about your daily routine.
Yes, sir, I'm going to tell you about my daily routine. I get up in the morning 5 o'clock. After that, I remove my bed to go. I go to washroom to wash my face and hand. When I come in the room, I ready for my coaching. My coaching time is after 6 o'clock. After that, I come back from the coaching 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock. After that, I ready for my school. My school time is 8 o'clock. After that, I come back from the school 2 o'clock. Then I ready for my
Chani, now you tell about yourself.
Yes, why not? This is Tanya here from Gosnals. I'm the part of Excellent English Spoken Classes, which is run by Abdul Rahim sir. And in my family, there are 10 members. It's enough about me.
Now you tell about your daily routine.
Yes, I get up early in the morning, 5 o'clock. After that, I remove my bed. I go to washroom to wash
Now you
my
tell
face.
about coaching.
Now I'm going to tell about the coaching. There are many my coaching name is Excellent English Spoken Classes, directed by Abdul Rahim sir. There are many facilities are available in my coaching.
Now in this time, which is offer is going on in your coaching?
The offer is going on in my coaching in 15 in the 1500 rupees you can take admission in my coaching, and the offer is going on 2-in-1 free. When you will take admission in my coaching, then after that you can speak English in front of everyone. Now this time I am speaking in front of you. So when I will when in Delhi I come here, so I don't know how to speak English, but now this time I am speaking in English in front of you. When did I not come in this coaching? So never I can speak English in front of you.
Oh, according to you, what are you speaking? You are speaking by this coaching.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Miss Shani, what do you want to say about English?
I want to say that English is the most important in our life.
According to you, everyone should learn English or not?
According to me, it is my message for everyone. Everybody should learn English, because like that the heart is important in our body. Like that the English is important in our life. If you have a knowledge of English, you easily you can say anything.
How
easily.
can you say that without, according to you, without English we can't do anything?
Without English, we can't do anything. If I give you an example, so when you will purchase the 1 rupees of toffee, so there you will find there will be writing from by the English. But when in this generation, everything is coming in English. But if you know very well about the English language,
Which types of language is this?
it is the British language, Spaniard language, Sailor language, and it is a common language, and it is an international language. It is going on in whole world, and it has come over in whole world.
Okay, in how many countries English has used?
The English is going on in every countries, but the English is going on in 67 countries.
67. Why it is international language?
Because every person in this generation, every person are using the English. That is why it is an international language.
Oh, according to you, if every person will use anything, that will be international.
Yes, that will be international.
Okay, it is a very important language or not?
Yes, it is a very necessary, and it is the very important language, because if you know very well how to speak English, if I know very well how to speak English, that is why I am giving the answer of your question. If I don't know how to speak English, so how will I give you your answer of your question?
According to you, English it is a language, it is a subject.
In the English is a language, it is not any types of subject. When you will start to speak, then you can speak English in front of
So why we learn English stories in books?
Also the English, when you will know how to read English, how to write English, how to speak English, then you can do, if you want to take job, so the when you will go to take in terms of job, if you want to do any job, so the that person will ask you in English, and if you have to fill the any form, so there you have to fill in English. Also if you know how to write, then you can write. If you know how to speak, that person you can speak English. That is why it is the most important language.
Okay, what do you want to say about APJ Abdul Kalam sir?
He was the very honest person, and he was the very great person, and according to me, he was loving poor person, and he helped the poor persons, and the Sir APJ Abdul Kalam, and now this time he is not present in our India, but we are talking about him, because he do that work like that. That is why we are talking about him.
So what do you want to say about Sir Bhimrao Ambedkar?
Sir Bhimrao Ambedkar, he is the father of our constitution, and if he will if he do not write the constitution, so we will how we follow the constitution.
How we
now-
follow the rules of India.
rules of India, and
And I had listened as the constitution has been written by Bhimrao Ambedkar. It is the largest constitution in whole world. It is true.
yes, it is the true. The India's constitution is the largest constitution in whole world.
Okay. So, what do you want to give the last message for those who are not learning English?